Hi, I'm Allie.
And I'm Becky.
We are registered dietitians that are passionate about food as medicine.
In this video, we are talking about 5 simple low-carb swap outs that you can easily make to reduce dietary carbohydrates.
Yes, this is of course important if you're looking to address prediabetes, diabetes, gestational diabetes, or just lower your overall blood sugar for best metabolic outcomes. In fact, when we stabilize our glucose levels by lowering our carb intake, this is the best way to actually enhance body fat burn, especially if we're converting into a process of nutritional ketosis. You can learn more about our food as medicine approach to keto in this video here on a Mediterranean approach to the keto diet.
So the first swap out is to simply swap grains for greens. So this can be done easily whether we are dining out at a restaurant or grabbing something even fast casual like Chipotle or something like that, where you can just request extra greens as the base of your dish and can easily translate into the household as well. So here we have a taco salad plated over leafy greens. So instead of a tortilla or rice and beans, we could do leafy greens as a base. If we're having a stir fry with meat and veg, we could put that over a base of baby spinach that will kind of wilt down in there instead of doing it over noodles and save a lot of carbs.
Yes, and then another great swap out for carbs is cauliflower. Cauliflower is extremely diverse. You can purchase this organic riced cauliflower to put in a similar bowl or stir fry type of approach, or you can go ahead and puree the cauliflower to mimic or replace mashed potatoes. In fact, we have a fantastic truffle mashed cauliflower recipe that we'll link below. Also, you can even do recipes like a twice baked cauliflower to further replace that potato, but get added protein with shredded cheese and bacon and antioxidants in those chives on top.
And then instead of a whole bunch of added carb without a lot of nutritional benefit, you're getting a sulfur-containing vegetable that's going to actually help to support detoxification in the body.
Next up is swapping out bread or tortillas for lettuce cups or leafy greens, or omitting them altogether and doing what we call an elevated foldie. Our 12-week food as medicine keto meal plan actually features a couple different varieties of these elevated foldies, which interweave throughout your weeks as something that's easy for a lunch that can be protein packed and can even incorporate some antioxidants. So on this plate here, we've used some gem lettuce. We have some raw aged cheddar, different deli meats that are clean, so free of nitrites and growth hormone or antibiotic. And then we have some homemade mayo and mustard and topped it with some radish microgreens for some extra antioxidant boost.
Another great swap out that's going to give you some enhanced nutritional benefit is to swap out noodles or pasta for Miracle Noodles. Now, these are made from cognac flour, which is a great source of glucomannan, a type of fiber that's actually been shown to increase satiety, so increasing that sense of fullness so you don't have to eat as much, and also to have favorable detox and lipid lowering effects.
And our final swap out is to substitute in the kitchen almond flour for all-purpose flour. Not only is the almond flour, and really all of these choices, also going to be gluten-free, but when we look quarter cup to quarter cup comparison, the all-purpose flour has 24 grams of carbs, so 2 slices of bread worth almost in that density of carbohydrate, with only 1 gram of fiber and 3 grams of protein. Whereas the almond flour at that same quarter cup portion is going to only have 5 grams of carbs with 3 grams of blood sugar stabilizing fiber and 6 grams of protein, and provides you 20% of your daily vitamin E needs.
Yes, and I love the versatility of almond flour used in recipes. It provides a really nice, dense kind of chew, quite a bit of moisture in that baked good product. And we have so many great recipes, from our keto cheddar biscuits to our zucchini chocolate pumpkin muffins, which both of those are also featured in that 12-week meal plan.
Yes. So be sure to comment below on one of these swap outs that you learned about and something that you're going to commit to further lower your carb intake for blood sugar balance and weight loss results. And check out the code below with unique savings of $10 off our otherwise priced $45 12-week meal plan. So now for only $35, you will get 12 consecutive weeks of 6+ recipes each week, grocery list, food as medicine information, and weekly challenges to support optimal health. If you're still not convinced that you want to give it a try, check out the link below where you can get a taste of our food as medicine meal plan with a free week.
Go ahead and like this video, drop us a comment with your favorite swap out that you've learned below, and subscribe to the Naturally Nourished YouTube channel so you never miss one of our bi-weekly releases.
Yeah. You're holding it. Okay. I'll do that with an elevated foldy.